Creating a YouTube end screen on Canva is simple and you can make your videos look professional. And here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to set the dimensions. For that, go to canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the Create a Design option in the top left corner of the screen. Select Custom Size and enter 920 by 1080 pixels, which is a standard size for YouTube videos. Click on Create New Design. Now choose a background. Pick a background color or gradient or pattern that aligns with your brand or the theme of your video. You can also upload your own image or search for one in the Photos tab on Canva. Now go to Elements, then go to Shapes. Here you can create boxes or circles for the components of the YouTube's end screen like video links, playlist links, or subscribe button. Position it typically on the left or right side and use the text tool to give instruction to viewers, such as watch next, subscribe for more, recommended for you, and choose bold and easily readable fonts that fit your branding. Adjust it according to your preference, and you can add branding as well. Upload a logo or channel name to reinforce your brand, and consider using frames or grids to add an image of yourself if it suits your style. You can also decorate with graphics by going to Elements, search for the components you want to add and resize it according to your preference, and enhance the visual appeal. Make sure to leave enough empty space for YouTube's clickable end screen elements including videos, playlist, and the subscribe button, and download your design. Click on Share in the top right corner, and then click on Download. Select PNG or JPG for a high-quality image. Now import your end screen design into your video editing software like Adobe Premiere, and extend the end screen display to the last 10 to 20 seconds of your video. Upload the final video to YouTube and use YouTube Studio to overlay clickable elements over your placeholders. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.